guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. For those of you who have not already watched me, I am going to be doing an unboxing and try-on for Stitch Fix, which is a clothing subscription service. You can skip if you already know about Stitch Fix, but again, if anyone has not used this service, I will have a referral link included, and you can use that to get $25 off your first box. Sometimes I get for referrals that are for more than that, and I do share those as well. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and try the service for free, and then I also get a $25 credit, which brings me to something else I wanted to say, which is I got a credit from one of you guys, and thank you so much. I was so surprised when I had that credit. So before I jump in, this is the first fix that I have done in I don't know how long, where I had absolutely no note. So I did not put anything at all in my note. And I have peeked online because I don't know how not to. So I will show you. So in honor of what is in this fix, I wore my animal print shirt. So that'll give you a little bit of hint. So Watson, you should like this. It's all animal prints, mostly animal prints. So we're going to start out, again, I've got my style card and price card. I will look at that next. And then this is the postage paid return envelope if I want to return or exchange anything. Like this is the Vera Moda okay, I cannot see a thing. I do need my glasses right now. Magnolia printed faux fur jacket. Okay, so this is wild. This is a jacket. It is fairly lightweight. It has closures. They're not buttons, but they are these kind of tab closures. So, I don't know. I'll show you when I try it on. So that's what it looks like on the inside. There's no collar. It's just straight like that. So yes, I'm going to try this one on. And I did see this one, and it's pretty crazy. And I will see. I'm not sure. I generally don't like a lot of patterns, although I have been getting more pattern things lately, and this one's fun, so definitely going to try it on. Who knows, it may work for me. Okay, so we'll jump. What's going on? Why are you so alert right now? You need something? Okay. Okay, see, this is how it goes. This one is by 818, and it is the... I will tell you, it's a crew neck pullover in gray, and it might be Orally or something. So this is like a zebra striped top. It is very lightweight. It's a very lightweight sweater. So I don't know if you can see, very thin. One of you asked if I would include the fabric content when I'm doing this, and so at the end I will try and either say that or include it somewhere so that you have that information, because I can understand how that will be helpful. Anyway, zebra top. It is gray and black, so not gray and white. So I will try that on. It's that crazy print. It'll be fun. Okay, this is the one non-animal print item that I saw. And this is called, it's by Mixed by 41 the Hawthorne, the Orly ruche side knit top in dark purple. Okay, so this is a very lightweight knit top. I shouldn't say very lightweight, but it's fairly lightweight. It's knit and pretty lightweight. Oh, and it has this kind of tie. That's the cinch that they're talking about. Can you see that? Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty color. It's a little brighter than I typically like. I know I'm pretty picky. I would like something just slightly less bright than this, but I will try this on, because I will try it on. Okay, this next thing is a sweater, which I have been looking for, and this one is a little crazy. I think some of you have received this in your fix. What is this one called again? It's by Sophie Rowe. It is the Dane, I think it's Diane, crew neck pullover in black. It is a cheetah print, and so it's black. It is a cream colored, and then inside is the sort of mustard, even a little bit of black in there. So that's what that looks like, front and back, sort of a crew neck. These types of crew neck, I don't know if they look that good. I mean, this sweater looks crazy. This looks crazy. So this print might be too much, but I thought this one might work because it definitely is a cozy sweater. So I'll try that one on. And then last but not least, they sent these pants by Market and Spruce. These are the Rosebud printed skinny pant in gray. So these are kind of a dressier, it's not a denim because we have the no pockets in back, the non-functional pockets. Except for you can stick your thumb or finger in one of them, I guess. Yeah, I don't really know the point of that. But anyway, so it's got those. And then it's got these side pockets, which I can tell just by looking at it. Like, those pockets don't ever work on me. I will show you when I try them on. But they are gray with this black, what is this? Is it leopard? I'm not sure what this is. It should say, but it doesn't. Okay, anyway, I'll try these on. I'm not sure how these are going to work. But again, fun fix to try on. I will go do it, and then I will go try on the clothes, and then I will come back and let you know what I decide to keep, if anything. What? He likes that position better. Okay, so here is that thin sweater by 818. And I did switch my pants to black pants because I thought it looked crazy with my jeans. So it is definitely a crazy zebra pattern. It is a fitted sweater. So I have actually seen a few people posting or asking for information on any fitted sweaters. And so this is a nice fitted sweater. I personally, this is an extra small. I would like to switch it for a small just because it's short to me. I don't know how to explain it. But anyway, what do you think of this? Does it drive you crazy just looking at it? When I look in the mirror, it looks crazy to me. But I also do like the fit of it. It's not a big warm sweater, which is what I've been looking for. But it's thin enough that it can be an underlayer. So actually, I'll just add the jacket I had on. 1 second. All right. So this is the jacket I was just wearing. But, you know, I can easily layer it under this, or even a different color, but I don't think I can handle too much. So anyway, I think it's not too bad. When I first pulled it out of the box, I thought it was crazy. I would love your feedback. And again, I would probably size up if I did keep it. On to next. Okay, so this is this ruched purple shirt. And it does have this kind of cute tie detail, if you guys are able to see that. I can't see it because this is such a dark thing showing up. Anyway, I'm sure you can. Okay, so it has that, and it has a band at the waist, so you can kind of put it down further if you want, or you can put it up like this. I actually think it's a cute shirt. It's like a t-shirt type material, very light, and I guess it does have that kind of, there's like a little black flecks in there, if that makes any sense. I don't know if you can see those. Anyway, this is what it looks like all the way around. I think it's pretty cute if someone is looking for a lightweight shirt with a little bit extra detail, which is what I think we're all looking for. I actually don't know. Here it is, and I will try on the next. Okay, here is the sweater by Sophie Rue, and I actually kind of like it, but I when I look at it on camera, it's crazy. So it does definitely have a crazy loud pattern, but the colors I think are muted enough that it's better than, I did not end up keeping that mock neck blue sweater that had the crazy blue pattern of leopard on it. I did not keep that one. So I would consider this one. So again, where this hits, so I have this t-shirt on, I shouldn't move that. It's not a long sweater, so it hits like right about here, I don't know, mid apple. And it's warm, so it's not like heavy warm, but it's a heavier fabric that it actually is warm. So right now it's warm. I would love your opinion on this because I would keep this if it doesn't look too crazy on me. I don't know, it's really hard. So these are the pants, and I hope I don't really, okay. So I tried them on, I don't know, I tried to add, they don't fit me right. So they're really long, and so I assume you can roll them. I don't know if you guys can see this, but of course it's just a gray on the inside, so I'm just not sure that they should be rolled. And if you can kind of see, they're fairly big on me, and like I had said, if you can see from the side, the pocket sticks out so that it does not help. It just makes you look bigger than you are. It's not comfortable for me, and so that's the situation. Although there's some pockets if you want to put your hands in them. So yeah, this is how it looks. It has just these lined pockets in the back, and you can just kind of see it's just kind of baggy on me. And yeah, so I actually like this. I feel like I would wear this gray with the black on it if these fit properly. And I don't know if it means they should be in more of a denim material or what this material is. But so you can see what they look like. And some of you might like these. They are quite a bit, they're quite long. Actually, I'll show you. They're not that long. 1 second. But they are like to the point of this. And then they're just baggy. I don't know. They just don't fit me right, but I think they're kind of cute. So, all right, I have one more item, and it's one I'm going to have fun trying on. I'll be back. So last, but certainly not least, is this jacket by Veramoda or Veramoda. And this is what it looks like. So it is meant to be kind of a bulkier fit. Here we go. This is what it would probably look like. And again, this is an extra small, so I think this is probably the right size if I were to keep something like this. This is what it looks like. But what do you guys think? I think it's crazy. I really am not certain that it's something I would actually wear, but I have to say I love these colors. I love the black and the more camel color with this, and look how soft it is. It's really soft. See, this is one of those things I'm going to get talked into buying just because I think it's so cool, and then where am I going to wear it actually? I kind of like it. So this was the last item, so I will be right back to wrap everything up. See you then. Okay, why do I love the things that are completely impractical? Why? Okay, so I am going to go ahead and take a peek at my stylist note just to tell you who styled me. Okay, hey Jessica, it says, and I can see the items on the card are not what was included in my fix, if you guys are able to see. So this is for Jessica, and Jessica has received some nice dresses and things. This is clearly not mine. Let me look at the price sheet. And no, this is Jessica's price sheet also. Okay, so I found these individual items on my phone. So we're going to start out with the Market and Spruce, the Orly ruched side knit top. This is made out of a polyester spandex cotton blend. And I think that's right, yeah. And it is machine washable. So there you go. I hate these glasses. Thank you. I can't find my black ones anywhere. They're probably with my phone, which actually is here for once, but that's the other item I lose all the time. Okay, so this is the shirt. Say it is $38. So I think it's really cute. I personally don't love the brightness of the purple and the fact that it's really just a thin knit top right now, because I'm not going to keep saying it. I'm looking for warm things. This is the Emily, or Ainsley, sorry, I do need my glasses. Crew neck pullover by 818. This one is $44. 70% rayon, 30% nylon. So that is the material for this shirt. I actually like it. I personally think I'd go up a size if I can convince myself to keep it. I don't know, we'll see, but this one's $44. Okay, and it says it can be machine washed, which is nice. Made by Market and Spruce. These are made by Market and Spruce. They are the Roosevelt printed skinny pant. These are $78. These are a cotton, spandex, and polyester blend. I am not keeping these. They did not fit right, but they're cute if somebody wants a little more of a, I don't know if it's dressier, but I don't know, when they don't have the pockets in the back, it seems dressier to me. Okay, so $78 for that. It is the Dare, D-A-I-R-E, crew neck pullover. It is $48, okay. Made out of acrylic, nylon, polyester, and spandex. Okay, and it is machine wash cold, gentle cycle. This one is $48. So actually, I don't think that's bad for the weight of the sweater. It's really heavy and soft and cozy. And I know, oh my gosh, looks crazy against this pattern. Can I drive you all crazy? I actually like this sweater, but my husband does not. My husband hated that blue sweater I had last time or a couple times ago, and he does not like this one, even though I like it, but he doesn't. So that's a problem. I don't know what's going to happen. Of course, he likes this because this is so practical. Makes much more sense. Okay, this is the Vero Moda Magnolia printed faux fur jacket, and it is made with faux fur. It is $88, okay, right now. But you can add, you can add those items up, and then you can figure out the 25% discount if you like. I'm not keeping everything, so it appears right now that I may be keeping this. Again, why? Tell me why you think I should keep this, if I should keep it. Okay, thanks so much for listening. And again, for those of you who had not done so, please subscribe and give me feedback. I love when you guys say things. I really am going to try to keep doing the material, but I just have to read it from the tag. So any other suggestions or feedback you want to give, let me know. This jacket is so hot. Okay, and Watson is sleeping over here, and I don't have much else to say, but thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.